How to add Skrill as a payment method on Shopify. So from the main page of Shopify, we want to click on settings from at the bottom of the left corner, and right here we are going to go to payments. Now from the payments page, you probably won't find it in choose a provider, but what you can do is do manual payment methods, and we will click on manual payment method, and here we will choose bank deposit. So essentially Skrill acts as a bank, so you write pay me using Skrill and a colon, and then the payment instructions, send your payment, and here's where we go to Skrill. And we have to copy our Skrill bank account information. So make sure you don't leak any information, any sensitive information, but you will copy your bank number and you have to paste it right here. So I'm just going to do something as an example. And if people try to pay you on Shopify using Skrill or a manual payment method, then they will see this pay me using Skrill, and they will be able to see where they can send your payment, and you should be able to receive your funds onto your Skrill account. So it's not perfect, but that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.